Hey, Carol, sorry, Carol, ha? Teacher Ann don't have camera today. Okay? So how are you today, Carol?
Fine, thank you. And you?
Oh, yeah, teacher is doing great. I am quite busy because of schoolwork. Okay, I am quite busy because of schoolwork. Okay. Okay. So today I will share to you our topic. Okay, so here our topic is about air sickness. Okay, what do you mean by air sickness, Carol? What is air sickness? Air sickness. Air sickness is means what is that? You have. Okay, so what do you mean by air sickness? This is the sick that you feel whenever you go on flight. Okay. Okay. So here, now look at the pictures. Okay. What might you do if you felt well on a plane? Okay, example, you felt unwell. What do you mean by unwell? What will you do if you felt unwell? You're not feeling well in plane. You ride a plane, you're not feeling well. Okay? What will you do? Example, you ride in a plane and you're not feeling well. What will you do? You ride in a plane and you felt unwell on a plane. What will you do, Carol? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so what will you do if you felt unwell on a plane? You're not feeling well on a plane.
See?
Example, you're not feeling well on a plane. You ride on a plane and you're not feeling well. Okay, so what will you do? Example, this is only example. What will you do? What will you do? You tell me. What will you do? Example, you ride in a plane and you're not feeling well. What will you do? What will you do? Just for example.
Rest in the on the plane.
Oh, you will gonna rest. Okay. And you will gonna tell the flight attendant, oh, I'm not feeling well. Oh, do you know what is flight attendant?
Yes,
Okay, so you will gonna tell. Okay, example, what you will gonna say to the flight attendant? What you will gonna say?
I say today I am unwell, so can you help me?
Huh? What you will gonna do? Can you?
Can you help me?
Okay, can you help me? I'm not feeling well. Okay, so here. Now let us have to read. I am Staff and you are John. Let us see what they are talking about. Okay, ready?
Okay,
Hey, you look so pale, sir. Are you okay?
not really. I think I'm getting a little sick. Can I have some medicine?
Sure, sir. I'll bring you some water and pills.
Thank you. I have never experienced this on an airplane before. I'm really nervous.
Please relax yourself and take this pill. Did you have a big meal before boarding?
Yes, I had a big meal with my friends. Why?
Here is a tip for you next time. Avoid eating a heavy meal before traveling.
Thanks a lot for your advice.
Okay, so now, Carol, what do you think they're talking about? In the conversation, what do you think they're talking about?
They are talking about the they are talking about John has the has a little air sick and the staff will help him.
Okay, what do you think? They're talking about the air
The
sick.
air sick.
Okay. Okay. So we have here some red. Okay, red words. Air sick, pills, experience, and relax. Okay, first, air sick. What do you mean by air sick?
Air sick means when you are not well on the plane.
Okay. So you're not feeling you're unwell when you try to ride a plane. How about experience? What do you mean by experience? How about pills? What do you mean by pills?
Pill is medicine.
Okay. So what is this? It is pill is like a
That
medicine. Okay. How about experience? Look at the red word, experience. What is experience? What is experience? What do you mean by experience? What is experience? What do you mean when you say the word experience? What is that? I have experience in cooking. I have experience going to the zoo. Okay, what is experience? Okay, experience, it means the thing that you already done. How about relax? What do you mean by the word relax?
That is like rest.
Okay, it's just relax. It means like you rest. You take a rest, you relax. Okay, another one. Okay, please read again. Please read a note and then after you try to answer the questions. Okay, you tell me if you're done reading.
I'm done.
Okay,
I am done.
okay. Okay. So what service did John ask for? So here in the conversation, it's the stuff and John they're talking about because John is literally has little air sick. Okay, and he needed a medicine. Okay, so the question is in the plane. What service did John ask for?
John, John asked for some medicine because he had a little air sick.
Okay. John needed or asked some medicine because he has an air sick. Okay. So what should you avoid doing before traveling on a plane? Example, you are gonna travel in a plane. Based on the conversations. What do you need to avoid? What do you need to avoid?
I need to avoid eating a heavy meal before traveling.
Okay. You don't need always remember, please don't try to eat a lot. Okay. When you travel, like you're eating big meal, you eat a lot so much that you really want to go to the comfort room always. It's not good, right? So how about you? What do you eat in the breakfasts?
I usually eat a sandwich with an egg.
Okay, you are gonna eat sandwich like slow meal. But of course, what if you are very very hungry? Of course, you will gonna have to
Eat
eat. Okay, you will gonna have to eat. Okay, how will you tell other people that you feel air sick? How will you tell other people that you feel air sick? Okay, example, your neighbor or your friend is here. How will you gonna tell? Oh, I'm air sick. Okay, I want to go to the CR. Will you gonna tell like that? How will you gonna tell? Example, you have your friends with you or your cousin with you, and you feel air sick. Okay, how you will gonna tell to your cousin that you're not feeling well in the airplane?
till I I feel I am not well today. You can you help me to go to the toilet?
Okay, can you help me go to the toilet? But your cousin said, oh no, I don't like to go there. Oh, what you will gonna do? Oh, you will gonna say, who will be gonna approach? Example, you're feeling unwell. You're not unwell. Okay, so what you will gonna do? Okay, example, your mom is beside you. What you will gonna tell to your mom?
Can tell mom I mom I am tired.
I am
Can
tired because
because I have a little air sick.
hmm? Oh, so sad. Okay, what do you want? Example, I am your mom and I will tell. What do you want? What you will gonna say?
I will say I am hungry. Can you I am hungry. Can you take um take us take can you take a cake out of the bag. The bag, please.
Okay, so you will gonna have to ask help from your mom, of course. Okay, so gonna say, Mom, I'm not okay. I'm feeling very sick. Okay, I want to travel. I want to go to the comfort room. Okay, like that. Okay, very good. So we're doing here some. Okay, so we have here languages. Okay, so we have here some words. Okay, Carol. Okay, by the way, Carol. Okay, so what do you do in the morning or before you wake up? Okay, you're still in the bed. What do you gonna do first thing in the morning? You tell me.
Từ khi khi bố biết được số phận của mình thì yêu phải bay rớt. Không có anh tôi vẫn xấu hổ. Con gái sẽ khóc lóc, tức giận, lô bồ la lên và sẽ gọi điện cho anh.
Carol.
Anh rồi vẫn đáng yêu.
Who is that, Carol? There's a visitor in the
Này,
house. Carol, what you are gonna do early in the morning? In the morning, what is the first thing that you do?
I open my eyes.
You?
I open my eyes.
You open your eyes. Of course, you open your eyes. No, aside from you open your eyes, what you are gonna do? Oh, first thing in the morning after you wake up, okay, what you are gonna do? You at break. Example, it's weekend, it's Saturday. What you are gonna do on Saturday? What is your activity on Saturday?
Get out of the bed and then
Okay,
go to the toilet
okay.
to wash my face and brush my teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Then I have breakfast and
Okay. And
I, and I go outside to play with my neighbor.
wow, okay. So, what do you usually eat in your breakfast? What do you usually eat in your breakfasts?
I usually eat sandwiches.
Again,
I usually eat sandwiches.
you usually eat sandwiches. Okay. How about lunch? What do you eat during lunch?
Um, I have I have a bowl of rice and shrimps.
Okay, you have a bowl of rice and shrimp. Oh, shrimp is your favorite. Carol?
No,
No, not. What is your favorite food?
my favorite food
Mm-hmm.
is fried tofu.
Fried tofu. Ooh, really? You like fried tofu? In my
Yeah,
country, we have tofu also, but then okay, it's quite expensive if it we're gonna eat it in the restaurant, in the fine dining restaurant. Tofu. Okay, you like why you like fried tofu? Why?
because it is delicious.
Ah, really? What else aside from fried tofu? What else? What food
Mm,
do you like?
tasty.
It's tasty. Okay, aside from fried tofu, what food do you like to eat? What food you like?
To eat noodles.
Noodles. Ah, you like to eat ramen. I like to eat noodles. Okay. So how about dessert? What dessert do you like?
I like
Like fruit salad or what? What dessert do you like?
I like cake.
You like what?
I like a cake.
You like what dessert? Cake. Ah, chocolate. What flavor do you like? What
Uh,
flavor of cake do you like?
strawberry, strawberry cake.
Why? You didn't like chocolate, Carol?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you didn't like chocolate. Okay. So here, now in the weekend, you play with your cousins and you play with your neighbor. What play do you usually do? What play do you usually do?
Can you ask again?
Okay, in the weekend, you play with your neighbor. What play do you usually do? What are the play that you usually do? Like badminton, you play bike, you go to the park, or what do you usually do?
I usually play badminton.
Ah,
And
really? You play badminton?
yes,
Where?
in my neighborhood.
Wow, very nice. In your neighborhood, you like it. Wow, that's great. Okay, so here now. Okay, so please try to answer this one. Can you please answer? Please write your answer in the chat box. Okay? Let us see. I mean, we are trying to expand your speaking skills, but as well as we need to check your reading, your comprehension on the word. Okay? It's very important also. Go. I can live, I can fly, and touch a rainbow in the sky. I'm singing Lemon Tree.
Em tò mò chút xíu xíu thôi là cái lý do chính đi dẫn đến cái việc kết thúc này, tại vì như thế nào mình không tìm được
Okay,
cái tiếng nói
what
chung.
is that, Carol?
Không phải em không đi trên tàu.
People who don't often travel by plane are the ones who usually
Get long.
air,
What? Get?
get airsick.
Very good. Okay, continue. Don't be.
Don't be
Carol, wait me, ha. Teacher will just go to the bathroom. Oh, wait, teacher.
Trên tò mò chút xíu xíu thôi là cái lý do chính đi dẫn đến cái việc kết thúc này, tại vì
Okay,
như
Carol, let's
nó
continue. Don't be panic.
cái cách nào.
don't be panic even though you have never experienced it before.
Okay, don't be panic even though you have never experienced it before. Very good. Next, do you know the word panic? What do you mean by panic? Do you know the word panic? What is
No,
panic for you?
I don't know.
Panic is what? Panic is?
Is scared.
Okay, panic, it means like, don't be scared. Okay, now, next, you can ask, go continue reading. You can ask.
You can ask a flight attendant for some pills.
Okay,
They
very
will
good. They'll make.
they will make you feel better. It is better to avoid eating a heavy meal before the flight. It is
Good. Eat.
good to eat a small snack before or during the flight. It's also a good idea to listen to music, as this can help you to relax.
Okay, very good. So it is not good to eat big or heavy meal. So it is good to have small snacks before or during the flight. Okay, very good. Okay, so this one, no. What do you think are the things that you are gonna do? Okay, in two groups, the good thing and the bad thing. Okay, can you illustrate good thing that you are gonna do so you will have to avoid having the air sick? What do you think you are gonna do about that one? Okay, good thing. Then bad thing. Go.
Good.
Good is, okay, you give me two. Give me two. Good.
Turn to a flight attendant for help.
Very good. What else?
You, sh- you should be well rested before the flight.
Oh, you should be well rested. Well rested. It means you have to rest properly. Okay, go. Again. Numbers, bad things. What are the bad things? Okay, two for the good, two another for the bad.
It's good. Bad thing is it's good to eat a big meal before the flight.
Oh, it's good to eat. Next, number five.
Don't
Ay, no, no, no.
shout,
Another one, sorry.
shout and cry to let others know you need some help.
You shout and cry to let others know you need some help. Okay, very good. Yes, those are the bad things that you need to consider. Okay, Carol, please, we only have 3 minutes. So please go out in Zoom and get in again the same link. Okay, so we can continue talking. Okay? Okay, in 9 minutes, please get in the Zoom again. Okay?
Okay.
Teacher will wait you. Okay?